Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming backups and power. Backup with Nintendo Switch Online or transfer saves, and plug in the charger if battery is under half. Once done, go to System Settings, scroll to System, and select Formatting Options. This is where the reset process begins. Make sure to sign out of your Nintendo account if you will sell or give away the unit. Otherwise, you can keep your account linked. Follow the prompts. They guide you through confirming that you really want to reset. You now execute the reset. In System Settings, choose System, then Formatting Options, and pick Initialize Console. Read the options. One clears user data and save files, the other restores system files but preserves some data, then decide accordingly. Enter any PIN or parental controls when prompted. This unlocks the operation. Wait patiently. The console will format internal storage and reboot automatically. Don't interrupt power if the process completes. Finally, complete the out-of-box setup. Create or link users, reconnect Wi-Fi, and sign in to eShop or Nintendo account to restore purchases. Once connected, re-download games and recover saved data from cloud backups if available. If something goes wrong, like the initialization failing, power down, remove any micro SD card, reconnect the charger, and retry initialization. Corrupted micro SD content can block the process. If problems persist, try initializing without the card, then reinsert it after successful setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.